Okay, so we know how to find the area of a triangle now, given the height and the length. So for this problem, we're going to do it a little bit differently where what if you're given the area and either one of the base or the height, and can you find the other one? So in this case, if you're given the area and you're given the height, can you find the base? Okay, so sometimes it is shown outside the triangle. So sometimes this height is shown outside the triangle, just like we talked about in the video notes. But that's okay. That 5 meters is still the height, and our base is going to be this length right here, okay? That length right there. All right. So let's substitute the known values. We have our area and we have our height, okay? So our area, if area equals base times height divided by 2, let's plug these in. Area, this is going to be area right here. So our area is 15. Area is 15. And then base times height, our height is at 5 meters. And then on the bottom, remember we put 2. Okay. So in order to solve for b, we need to get b by itself. So what our equation looks like here is 15 equals b times 5 over 2. So what we're going to do is we are going to multiply each side of the equation by this, which is the reciprocal of 5. So 5 over 2, 2 over 5. So all we did was we flipped the 5 over 2 to be 2 over 5. And we're going to multiply it by both sides. That'll cancel out 5 over 2. So what that'll look like is we have 15. So on this side of the equation, we have 15 over 1 times 2/5, because we're going to do that, 2/5. And then on the other side, we have 2/5, because what we do to one side, we got to do the other, times b 5 over 2. Now, because there's a 5 here and a 5 here, there's 5 on the bottom and a 5 on the top, they can cancel out. Boom, boom. And that's because we know that 5 over 5 equals 1. So when they equal 1, you can just cancel them out. So we have another one we can't cancel out. We have a 2 on the top and a 2 on the bottom. Well, 2 over 2 equals 1. So we can just cancel those out. So then what we have left is we have 15 over 1 times 2/5 equals b. Okay. And so 15 times 2 is, oh, actually, you know what? Let's do this. We can simplify this using the butterfly method. Do you see how there's a 5 here and a 15 here? Is there a common factor between those two things? Is there something you can fit in both of those things? If you said 5, you're right. So we're going to divide the 5 by 5, which will be 1. We're going to divide the 15 by 5, which will be 3. So then what we end up with is 3 times 2, which is 6. Okay. So this means that the base, this one right here, is 6 meters long.